Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be fixing Type-C charging port on a Xiaomi Notebook Air. When the charger is plugged in, Type-C connector gets really hot, so I believe it needs replacing. Let's begin by removing the back cover first of all. To remove the screws on the back side, you need a Torx T5 screwdriver. Let's undo all the screws and remove the back cover. And it's an aluminium cover in an aluminium housing. It has locks in place, so you'll have to apply a little bit of force to lift it up. Okay, we're inside now, and the first thing you'll have to do is disconnect the battery connector. Next, we'll undo all the ribbon connectors for the touchpad, keyboard, backlight. And then disconnect the antenna cables for the Wi-Fi. Then disconnect the fan connector. And also disconnect the speaker connector as well. Now remove both Phillips head screws holding the fans in place. Now I'll disconnect the ribbon cable for the webcam. Battery is not being held by any screws, so best just remove it. Next, release all the cables next to cooling fan. Next, remove the Phillips screw on the top left. Next, remove the display connector hidden beneath the black tape. And then we'll have one more screw to remove. And one more screw behind the fan connector. One more in the middle, and then we can remove the logic board. Since we're replacing the charging port, so I won't be removing the SSD, fan, or the heatsink. Okay, we can see now that the plastic inside the charging port has actually melted from the heat. So it definitely needs replacing. So let's begin the replacement process now, and I'll leave you with the timeline. Okay, we're done soldering the new Type-C charging port on, so let's begin the reassembly. Just before installing the back cover, I'll plug the charger in and see if the laptop is charging fine. Okay, we have a light here and it's charging absolutely fine. Okay, let's plug the charger in and switch on the laptop to see if it works okay. And everything seems to be working perfectly fine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Take care.